Ayan, so tanawa.
Big rock.
Big rocks. So we bought more flowers yesterday.
Put one there, right? Plant big.
Yeah, so nauni ka mo gipamalit ng buwak yesterday.
Plant these two. There.
Oh, you like that there?
Yeah, because they'll grow big, tall. That'll cover that in.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You don't like this one? The million thing, $1 million?
Yeah, but we can put it somewhere else.
Alright, if you want. Alright, so guys, we bought this yesterday. Look how pretty.
Yeah, see these will go nice there. So two of these, yeah, then they'll bush together, won't they?
Yeah, so
That'll look good. Then these others can go along here.
because we still have a lot of space. Look.
Yeah, I've got the rake for you. Get the grass up.
Lot.
The pick. Look, whether you want to put them up that end or this end, I don't know.
Alright. So yesterday I bought this one. So it looks like usay tawag ana. Na ko na nidaghas amo, pero lahi man si jag dahon guys. Oh, hantutok na. Di man kuno ni siya hantutok na. So rab ganahan ani. Dako ko jag buwak oh. So I paid 700 pesos for this. Oh. Pero daghan si jag buds oh. Ang butog unsa ni, pero di na siya hantutok na. So I paid 700 pesos ani. It's very expensive. Nga Riz Valencia kinahanglan jud ka og mopalit kay why di ka pwedeng mga jud rig sidling. Yan, so kani po siya oh. Diba? So pinpalit ko og duha ka buok. So I paid 300 pesos each. Is it 300 or 350? Wa nakalimot na ko. Kana si Jack. So mo na iyang color oh. Diba? So kani pong usa. So I paid the same. Kami I paid 120 for this. 120 pesos. 120 pesos. Cosmos. Pero guwapa. Ang kalami ni Jack na dyan buwak. Diba? So 120 pesos. O karipod. Tanawara o. Tanawa. Mauni mo hurot diri sa mga buwak. Vegetables ni nanay mo ni mo kaon oh. Try away outside. Hala, nahurot dun si Jao oh. Tanawa oh. Hala, mga unjuda ito si Jao. Really bad. Hala oh. Diyos ko. Nausan maghambuwak oy. So ka na paid 120 pesos. This one is free. Lilies na nakuha ni usa, but she gave it to me for free. Here's another one oh. Throw away outside. Ito na sila sa gawas. Look what happened to my plants. You know who ate it?
Snail?
The snail was here on top. Not good.
No one, isn't it?
Where? Oh, gee. So snails, they are the one who killed all our plants here.
Yeah, they eat, I keep telling you that. The snails eat the plants.
And also this one.
Save your ash. You know what I said to you about the ash?
Yeah.
Get the ash when you plant the plant, put it round. Not like this, what effect is because it's too stalky.
They can't climb. So this one I paid 350 pesos for this. Look how beautiful. So I have like a white with pink on it. So I bought two of them. Look. So duha sila. So and I also have the same, but they're different colors. So they're not the same. I don't know. This is red. Look, diba beautiful kaayo. Really beautiful. So I ordered this online. So online ako nigi-ordered gahapon. Napakoy buwak nga mo abot karon. Kanang mukamang pud to. So na kana mga buwak medyo na. So hing order pud ko ana og duha ka buok. So 1 2 duha pud ka buok. So kani pod ambot og unsay mga nganan ng mga buwak ha. Pero mas gusto ni Rad nga na ice jay buwak bitaw dili kay dahon ra. So di ba kapwete. So muna siya guys. Jahing order po ko og $1 million. Kani kay gwapa man ni dyan na jay buwak ko. Na jay buwak. Pamuk po siya. Na po jay daghang saha. Na jay saha. So makapadaghan ako ani ni dyan po po. Jay daghang saha. So kuan po na siya 300 pesos. 300 pesos kada usa. Ano na daghang saha. Beautiful. They are pretty. So mauna si Jason, my husband. He's planting it now. One down. You like it, Han? The flowers looks really pretty. Diha na dyan ang ibutang. Agusa diha. So that's good. So more flowers. More guna-guna. So see you later guys. Salamat. So update ra ko sa among mga gipang buhat res. Among pajag. So more na siya. Tanawa ho. Heavy rain 2 days ago. Oh. Tanawag tubig. So mo ni agrason nga mo ni siyang ibutang sapat. Kaya din mo ibutang sapat pat dyan sa because sa tubig ug mo init ang tubig matay na. So we decided to put it in a pot. Diba? Very good. So muna si Ja.